When there's a pandemic, I have to have my supplies. Alright, so you don't touch your face, you don't bite your nails, and most importantly, sneeze in your sleeve, not your hand, like this. Alright guys, let's drink some wine, juice, to improve our immune systems. Nice. Let me put on my mask to protect myself. Now, when you're putting on your mask, you have to pinch right here. If you don't have a mask, then you can improvise. You can use a headband as a balaclava. You can use a toque and cut 2 holes. Right now, just pretend that there is. You can also use a Halloween mask. Hey there! Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye.